Friends, if you have been washing clothes for some time and you always find that your lingerie or delicate items get stuck in the normal clothes that we wash in the washing machine. If your wash laundry keeps on ending like this, it's high time you got a solution. Don't worry guys, I have the product for you. So let's look at the product. So there are 5 bags in total, 3 small bags and 2 large ones. So each one has a different size, length and purpose. This is the first one I have. This is for lingerie. It's a small bag, not a big one. This is the zipper that they have given. A nice quality zipper. There is some sort of padding inside the mesh also. So you can see they have given some sort of very nice lining here. It's a netty material. This is made of high quality polyester. Very nicely stitched. It seems very high quality. This comes from House of Kirk. These washing machine bags which I have recently ordered, and through a lot of research I came across these bags and they were claimed to be the best in class. So we have another bag. This is for lingerie again. This one has some sort of a peculiar shape so that you can fit in more undergarments. Similarly, you have a third bag. This one is a squarish one meant for socks. It's very useful for small infants or little children in house, and you can wash their delicate stuff in this sort of washing machine bag. Fourth bag, so this has a bigger size, so you can go ahead and wash more lingerie or more undergarments if you have them. The last one, so this one is the biggest of them all. So this comes in attractive beige color. You can go for the white one. A pink one is also available. I'll leave a buy link for you in video comment or description. And you can go ahead and buy them and try them and also save precious clothes getting spoiled. So I have 2 brasseries here. So let's take a washing machine bag. So I'll put these lingeries into the washing machine bag. And then these are well protected now and the hooks will not cling on to any of the clothes that you are washing in. So I'm now going to put this bag back into the washing machine. I'll go ahead and start the washing now. Quickly pour in the washing machine liquid that I have. So this washing machine is already full of clothes. Let's start the washing machine now. So let the machine complete the cycle and then we'll check. Now you can see that the clothes are washed. So I have taken out the bag now and let's see bras have been washed perfectly. This is a good solution. Thank you friends for watching my washing machine bag video. I hope you like the product. This product comes highly recommended from a lot of people who have tried them. I think you should also go for some sort of washing machine bag so that you can save your precious clothes in the washing machine. And for more such reviews, stay tuned.